Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Tropical storm Beta will continue to leave a pretty large imprint on our weather pattern today. We're expecting cool September temperatures. Should have highs today in the upper 60s and low 70s. We'll continue to see some of those passing showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two. But the latest on Beta, it has officially made landfall as of a few hours ago. Winds down to 40 miles per hour. Right now, this is barely a tropical storm. Will likely weaken into a tropical depression at some point today. And you can see the forecast track still takes it up across Texas and into Louisiana, just south of the Arklatex, but it will be passing close to us, close enough to us tomorrow and into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, that we will continue to see rain for much of the day today and likely for your Wednesday as well. Just a recap of where we've seen the heaviest rainfall over the last 24 hours. We have had radar estimates of some 2 to 3 inches of rain across southern Arkansas in and around the Texarkana area as well. So if we do say pick up another 2 inches of rain today, we should be okay in most of these areas. It will be kind of what we add to that tomorrow that can start to trigger some of those localized flooding issues. And I won't rule out again some water on the roadways this morning, but as far as any kind of widespread flooding issues, that is still not in the cards for us. But we are watching some more rain that's developing down along the coastline, so the radar will fill in once again. We do have some rain ongoing across the Arklatex. May see a little bit of a break for the morning commute in some areas, but then that rain picks right back up again today. So same advice as yesterday. If you do have some outdoor plans, make sure you do have an umbrella, and you may want to take a jacket in some areas as well, as those highs will be in the 60s. So look at your Robinson at Futurecast. It does show some of the scattered showers as we move through the day. It does show a pretty good push of rain tonight as well, and that's something pretty much all the forecast models are showing us this morning. So we may be in for a rainy night and a rainy start to your Wednesday morning, but with Beta kind of sliding by us to the east tomorrow, we will begin to see that rain wind down. It's looking like at some point tomorrow evening, and then it looks like most of the rain will have come to an end by Thursday, but I've left just kind of a 30% chance of showers in your forecast for Thursday. And notice the shift of the heaviest rainfall now off to the east here, so we could see some locations again today and tomorrow. Still in line to see a good 2 to 4 inches of rain, and you see that bullseye across southern Arkansas once again, so that's why we can't rule out maybe some localized flooding here in the next day or two, but does not look like we'll see any widespread issues, but just kind of take it easy here for the morning commute. Your temperatures feel very nice, mid to upper 60s, and we do have that east wind about 10 miles per hour. No change in the winds today. Those should be gusting up to about 20 miles per hour again this afternoon, so it will be a breezy day but not a windy day. In your forecast highs 60s and low 70s, so even this afternoon kind of can leave the windows open. Just a fantastic day from a temperature standpoint, but of course we're dealing with the rain today as well as tomorrow. It begins to taper off Thursday, Friday. Again, a little bit of uncertainty for the weekend. We may have just a few isolated showers out there, but we do know it will be a little bit warmer as we warm back into the mid and upper 80s this weekend, and it looks like we may see another cool down at some point early next week.